The $10 million secret. Why the rich pay less tax than you. Most people think the rich pay less tax because of loopholes. The truth is far more uncomfortable. They are playing a completely different game, and no one ever taught you the rules. Welcome to True Wealth. Today, you will learn the real $10 million secret. The quiet, legal, strategic way the wealthy reduce their taxes while building empires that last generations. This is not about tricks. It is about perspective, structure, and the mindset of ownership. Employees trade time for money. The rich build machines that make money without them. The poor row the boat. The rich build the engine. If your income depends on your presence, your taxes will always be higher than theirs. Middle-class people ask, "How much do I earn?" The rich ask, "Through what structure should this money flow?" Companies, trusts, foundations, holdings. They do not earn inside a bucket. They earn inside a system designed to reduce friction. The structure you choose determines the tax you pay. Salary is the worst income you can earn. It is taxed first, and you live on what remains. Capital gains, dividends, real estate, and business ownership are taxed last and often lightly. Workers get crumbs. Owners get the entire bakery. If your income has a boss, your tax rate does too. The wealthy buy assets that appear to lose value on paper while growing in real life. Real estate, equipment, vehicles used for business. They earn money, then deduct the imaginary loss. It is like eating a cake while telling the government the cake no longer exists. Depreciation turns taxes into fuel. When normal people need cash, they withdraw or sell. The rich borrow against their assets. Loan money is not taxable. They pick fruit without cutting the tree. The rich live on loans and die with assets. For most people, expenses hurt. For the wealthy, expenses become tools. Travel becomes research. A meal becomes a meeting. Education becomes consulting. They turn leaks into pipelines. When you classify expenses correctly, your financial destiny changes forever. The poor chase returns. The rich chase protection. Trusts, holding companies, insurance structures, legal shields. They build the vault before storing the gold. Wealth without protection is temporary. The wealthy use geography as a financial weapon. They choose where they earn, where they invest, where they live, and where their companies are registered. Meanwhile, the middle class is locked into one location. You play on one field. They own the stadium. Your passport can be a tax strategy if you learn to use it. Most people think about the next tax season. The wealthy think about the next generation. Family offices, succession plans, intergenerational trusts. The poor plant gardens. The rich plant forests. When you plan for your grandchildren, taxes become negotiable. Middle-class people feel controlled by taxes. The wealthy feel empowered. They study the rules, follow the incentives, and use the law intelligently. Most people fear the maze. The wealthy hire the architect who built it. Governments reward behavior that builds the country. The rich simply behave accordingly. The secret was never loopholes. It was mindset, structure, discipline, and perspective. You were trained to work. They were trained to build. Now you understand the difference. If you are ready to move from income to structure, from salary to ownership, continue watching. And if this opened your eyes, share it with someone who is finally ready to understand how the wealthy really win.